Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Do not remove a Shutterstock watermark from an image without permission. Removing watermarks can violate copyright and license terms and cause legal exposure. Watermarks indicate ownership and prevent unlicensed commercial use of images and designs. If you need the image for a project, request a license from the original source or choose an alternative image that is licensed for your use. Follow clear legal channels first before attempting any edits that affect ownership markings. First, purchase a license from Shutterstock to access a clean, high-resolution file. Licensed files remove watermarks legitimately and grant specific usage rights for projects. Alternatively, use royalty-free libraries such as Unsplash or Pexels for free images with permissive terms. You can also create your own photo or commission a designer to produce original assets. Each option avoids legal risk and preserves ethical use of creative content in commercial or public. If a watermark appears, consider cropping only when it does not affect composition or licensing rights. You may use the image as inspiration and create an original composition in Photoshop that does not copy the protected elements. Always document permissions and obtain written approval if the rights holder grants usage. When in doubt, contact the rights holder for permission or request a licensed, watermark-free file to ensure your project remains compliant and professionally defensible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.